Hello everyone, today we're going to see about polynomials. So what is a polynomial? Polynomial is that's an algebraic function, right, which has certain properties, right? Okay, let's see a polynomial, right? Let's say px is a polynomial, right? So polynomial px is equal to x squared minus 3x plus 2, right? Okay, this is a polynomial. So what are the properties of polynomial? What makes polynomials different from other algebraic functions? Right? First of all, we have to see what is the variable in this polynomial. Here we have only one variable. In other words, we say independent variables. Here x is the independent variable, px is the dependent variable because px depends on x. Right? So the independent variable here is independent variable, right, and that is x here. Okay, right, so this is we call it, this is a polynomial made of x. So if you consider this polynomials, here you have a term, right, here you have a term, here you have a term, here x squared is a term, 3x is a term, and 2 is a term. Okay, right, terms can depend on x or else terms can be just numbers. Here 2 is a number. Okay, fine. Alright, so each and every term, right, some terms have x, some terms actually depends on x, and some terms doesn't depend on x. Here we have only number here. Okay, and the second thing you have to consider is the exponents of the variables, right? So what are the exponents here? Here you have x squared, which means the exponents, one of the exponents is 2, and here 3x, here the exponent is 1, and here you don't have any exponents, right? So you don't have to worry about numbers. Okay, here you can see that exponents are 2 and 1. So you have to keep one thing in your mind, that the exponents have to be positive integers, right? Okay, in a polynomial, the exponents of variables cannot be negative numbers, or it cannot be rationals, right? It cannot be fractions, right? The exponent has to be positive integers. All right. Okay, so this is a polynomial. Okay, fine. So let's see some more polynomials, some more examples for polynomials, right? What about this? X cubed plus 3x squared minus 4x plus 7. Is it a polynomial? Right? Look at the terms, right? Okay, in the terms, see what are the exponentials of the variable given here, right? Here x is the variable, right? So what are the powers, or what are the exponents of the variable? 3, we have 2 minus 4x, 1. Okay, so all the exponents are positive here. So this algebraic function is a polynomial. Okay, do you get it? Right. Another example, 2x cubed minus 4x plus 1. What are the exponents here? 3, here you have 1, so it's a polynomial. Alright, qx, 2x plus 1, right? What are the exponents? 2x means x to the power 1. Yes, this is a polynomial. Okay, hope you can understand what is polynomials. What are polynomials? All right. So now we'll see some examples, right, which cannot be polynomials. Consider this one. What can I say about this? Right? X squared minus 3x 2 over x squared. Right? Is it a polynomial? This one can be written as x squared minus 3x plus 2x to the power minus 2. Okay? Right. Here you have 3 terms. Okay? And now look at the exponents of the variable. So since we have only one variable here, that is x, right? So what are the exponents in this algebraic function, right? 2, here 1, okay, fine. What about this one? Minus 2. I already told you in a polynomial, the exponent cannot be negative. At the same time, the exponents cannot be fractions as well, right? So since this exponent is negative here, this px cannot be a polynomial. Okay, fine. Let's consider another example. X cubed plus 3x squared plus 11x plus root of x plus 9. Okay, so what can you say about the exponents here? Jx. This is x cubed plus 3x squared plus 11x, right? Plus x to the power half. We can write root of x as x to the power half, right? Plus 9. So what about the exponents here? 3, 2, 1, here 1, right? Half. Here's a red flag, right? Because the exponents cannot be in fractions. Alright, so this is not a polynomial. Okay, fine. Right. Is it a polynomial? X squared plus 1, right, in the numerator, and x squared, right, x to the power 2, right, x squared plus 3x plus 4, right? This is also a polynomial. The denominator is a polynomial and the numerator is a polynomial, right? Okay. These two are polynomials, but it doesn't mean that the division of these two polynomials should be a polynomial. It's not a polynomial. Okay, right? Even though these two are polynomials individually, but as a whole, right, it cannot be a polynomial. It's a non-polynomial. It's not a polynomial. We call it a rational function. Okay. If a function is given as a division of two polynomials, that function becomes a rational function, right? This is not a polynomial, right? We call it a rational function. Alright, so this is not a polynomial. Consider this function. Let's say it's px. Px is equal to root of x cubed plus 3x squared plus 2. Right? Okay, that's a square root here. Within the square root, you can see x cubed plus 3x squared plus 2. That is a polynomial, but that polynomial is within the square root. Right? So, this this function cannot be a polynomial. It's not a polynomial. Right? Okay? Because this particular polynomial is within the square root. This is a non-polynomial. Okay. So hope you have understood what is the meaning of a polynomial. Okay. So what is the common format of a polynomial? Okay. Usually we write polynomials like this: fx is equal to an x to the power n plus an minus 1 x to the power n minus 1 plus an minus 2 x to the power n minus 2, and it will go on like this: a2x squared plus a1x plus a0. Right? Here n has to be positive integer. Right? At the same time, here you can see, right, an minus 1, an minus 2, right, an minus 3, and so on, a2, a1, a1, a0. All of them are coefficients, right? We call them coefficients. Okay. N minus 1, n minus 2, those are the exponents, right? Those exponents, right? Those exponents have to be always positive integers. Okay, not only n, right? All the exponents here have to be positive integers, right? Then only this becomes a polynomial. Okay, and there are some special cases of polynomials, right? X squared, right? This is a polynomial. X squared is a polynomial. This polynomial has only one term. Okay? Polynomials with only one terms are called monomials. Monomials. Right? Okay? This is a monomial. This is a monomial. Right? X cubed is a monomial. X to the power 4 is a monomial. Right? If you have a polynomial which has only one term, that polynomial is called monomial, right? Okay. So what about the polynomials which has only two terms? We call them binomials. So consider this one, 2x plus 1. How many terms are here? Only two terms are here, 2x plus 1. Okay. Right. This is a term, huh? This is a term, this is a term, this is a term. Polynomials are actually given by addition or subtraction of consecutive terms. Right? So here you have two terms, right? Polynomial with two terms, only two terms, are called binomials. Binomials, right? X squared plus 3x plus 11. How many terms are here? 1, 2, 3, right? Trinomials. Trinomials, right? Okay? And if you consider a polynomial which has four terms, we call it quadrinomials. Quadrinomials, right? Okay. So the series actually goes on like this. Okay. Right. So you don't have to memorize everything, right? These it's better if you can memorize these three words terms, right? Monomials, binomials, and trinomials. Hope you have understood what is polynomials are. Okay, and try to understand this one. And please like and share this video. Thank you very much.